Hi, this is Jordan Slavic. I just got these new cuckoo birds. Want to see them? Okay, this is the humongous billed caterwauling woozy what bird. Right there, that's what it is. And it came with this nest. Now I got another one. It's called the ruby-colored, bad-tempered slapper sucker. And guess what goes on his head? Crash helmet and goggles.
Excavators work by pushing a metal bucket into the ground so that it fills up.
That's my dad reading Ben on new books. I got Time for Kids. I got Time for Kids. Amazing Journeys. That's the picture. It's a level 3. I'm a high level. I got Splat the Cat. Splat the Cat. Where's the Easter Bunny? So there's Splat the Cat. And I don't know who's that. That's the Easter Bunny. And then the mouse on the tail. So these are my new cuckoo birds. I only have 2 of the flock. So they want like that on the box. I threw the box away already, but next time I buy more cuckoo birds, I will make a video and I won't open them. So I got the cuckoo birds. Collect the entire flock. Field Guide, Series 1. So there's, I want 101. The needle-nosed red-headed woodpecker. And then this one. There's more. Look how long it is. But there's more. Okay, we're on the blue-nosed, yellow-striped Dusselflesh. There. That one kind of matches with Easter. It's called the orange-craced, bug-eyed Freezywick. Now, I want that one. I want the needle-nosed red-headed woodpecker so bad. And I want this one. The web-footed gargling pond trotter. And I want this one, too. It's called the beady-eyed, long-billed muskipper. I want this one. It's called the wide-eyed, hawk-billed Lapouza bird. And that's the back. And then that is this one. That bird is this one. So you can see him. Kind of like, yeah, that's this pose right there. Kind of like that. Yeah, that's his pose right there.
Whoa.
So they have it kind of like, those are the same birds. It's called the humongous billed Canton woozy what. I want that. That's cool. It's called the hopping fire pumped bird of paradise. That one looks pretty mad. I don't know why. It's called the three-toed, three-feathered Dunicafa. That one looks angry and like a bully. Cracking, stubby, wrinkled Solowag. Now that's an awesome one. It's called the rainbow-billed long-tailed cuckoo. That is a famous, and I want the golden cuckoo bird. And that's the root, and that one, let me take the hat off.
Head down.
Get off me.
Head down.
Okay. That one is that one. So that one is that one. It's called the ruby-colored, bad-tempered Susquebacker. So that's the whole line. Okay, so I have him, so he's going to go there. Some more. I have him, so he's going to be stomped down. And then Okay, I'll show you the back of it again. So that's the one I really want. It's called the needle-nosed red-headed woodpecker. And then comes that kind of matches for Easter. Orange. Yeah.
Yep. Jordan, we'll go downstairs.
That looks like a penguin. Okay. I like that one. And that's cuckoo. And I want that one. So actually that's not. Okay.
Coming down there?
So my whole set is right here. That's my whole set. Like it? If you like it, I'm putting this on YouTube. I don't know why, but my parents say no. But I'm gonna put it on everybody. Anyway, so I'm gonna put some pictures up too. So if you go to Jordy Pie 7, I'm gonna name this Cuckoo Birds. So look up Cuckoo Birds. And look up Jordan Slavic, Jordy Pie 7. So go to Jordy Pie 7's thing, and you'll see all the pictures I took of them with my webcam. This is my webcam, so I can't really control it. See, there it goes again. Okay. I know, I'm so weird. Bye.